In this video, we're going to talk about how to easily double your e-commerce business revenue with TikTok Shop. If you're an e-commerce brand owner, honestly, I don't care how much you make, from as little as $500 a month to $100,000 a month, $500,000 a month. I guarantee you that within 2 to 3 months, you can double that revenue simply by adding your products to TikTok Shop and selling on TikTok Shop. I know this video is not sponsored by TikTok Shop. I just know from experience that it is the single biggest opportunity we've had in e-com since the early days of Amazon. And how I know about the early days on Amazon, I was selling on that motherfucker when I was 12 years old. Okay, so first, if you're unfamiliar with TikTok Shop, once you get set up on there, it's a very easy process to get set up. There's actually an incentive for the first 60 days for new sellers where they have a much reduced referral fee, which you can take advantage of. But now you're set up, you have your products up on there. If you didn't know, you can sell directly from your short form content. So I'm assuming if you're an e-commerce brand owner, you already have user generated content or influencers that you've worked with in the past that have made short form content for you, right? That you might use on Instagram to drive people over to your Shopify website, or you might use it on Pinterest to drive people over to your website. Well, with TikTok Shop, there's no friction, right? There's literally no friction on your business page, on your brand TikTok account, your official account that is linked to your TikTok Shop. You're going to create content for the brand. The link is going to be right there. Literally right there, the customer can click, and in 2 to 3 clicks and about 5 to 10 total seconds, they can be complete with checkout and money's in the bank, right? Essentially. So instead of a customer or potential customer seeing your short form video, oh, this looks interesting, going over to your profile, clicking into the bio, going over to your Instagram, scrolling to find the products, clicking on the products, reading about it, maybe thinking, you know what, I actually don't need this, clicking out and leaving your website, they're going to see the video right then and there. So in 2 seconds, right when the influence and the FOMO is at its height, they can click into the little TikTok Shop cart, claim whatever coupon TikTok Shop is giving them, which they give subsidized coupons, claim it, check out right there, and boom, you're done. Now, I love this because you can heavily lean on FOMO and urgency. Another big play that you can utilize on TikTok Shop is the flash sales. The flash sales come with this ticking down timer. It really makes you think, and this happened to me the other day when I wanted to purchase something. I saw there was like 3 hours left in the flash sale. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get this right now. Now I just saw it in use in the video. I think it was it's called Spilt Milk. It's these protein milk beverages. I click into the little cart right there. I see like 5% off with TikTok Shop and the ticking down timer with the flash sale. Buy now, Apple Pay, click, and I'm done with checkout. And now it's coming in the next few days. So the FOMO and the urgency, everyone falls for it. And there's no platform that utilizes it better than TikTok Shop. Another sales channel that is actually a $1 billion industry in China already is live shopping. And many e-commerce businesses do not utilize live shopping. If you're not doing this in 2025, I don't know what you're doing. TikTok Shop comes built in with shoppable live. So again, on your business account where you post your content and add the link right there, you can actually go live on that page, and then your little cart is right there on the live stream, and customers, as they're watching your live stream, as they're interacting with you, they can click into the cart and complete their purchase. So you can incentivize the purchase live, which is actually really mind-blowing when I talk about it, because I've been doing live for about a year now, but it still blows my mind. So you can literally be talking with the customer, like, I don't know what size to get, how long does shipping take, boom, address their concerns right then and there, show them the product in use, and they can purchase it from you right then and there. Now, if you have an e-commerce business that's doing, I don't know, $50,000 a month and up, obviously it's going to make more sense for you to hire someone to do the lives, which is what I'm going to be looking to do in the next few months. But if your business is doing, let's say you have a women's wear brand, you're going to hire a woman to go on the live streams for you and essentially do 2 to 3 to maybe 4 hour lives Monday through Saturday. You want to set up kind of a live schedule that's pretty consistent, just like posting content on YouTube. You want to maintain that consistency. And then she or they or whoever it is goes live on your brand page Monday through Saturday. They're just promoting your products, showing the products in use. I focus a lot on women's wear and clothing specifically because that's my business. So it's just showing the products, using some urgency. Hey girls, we're going to sell out almost of these leggings. Like, we really don't have that many left. You should definitely get yours now. Oh my God, what size are you wearing? Oh, I'm actually wearing size small. These are so flattering. I mean, just imagine the impact of that. It's like you're able to convince someone directly versus convincing them through content, which convincing through content in UGC, works amazing already. But when you do it live, it's like taking it up to another level, right? And shoppable lives on TikTok, there have already been some that have done over 1 million. Another huge advantage that TikTok Shop gets you is access to, again, a very robust affiliate network. So as you can see, TikTok Shop set up a bunch of different systems and methods to just give you more revenue, to increase your revenue, and obviously for them to make more money. But they have the live shopping system already set up, right? So they'll push your content more, they'll push your lives more. They have the affiliate system and affiliate center already set up. So let's say this is how it works essentially. You list up your products, you attach a commission rate to each of them. I only give 5 to 6% commission, to be honest. You create your content, or you work with a TikTok Shop affiliate agency, or you create your content, you go on live, you work with the agency. Affiliates are going to see your content. They might see it on live through your short form. They may get reached out through the agency again, and then they're able to promote your products and earn a commission per sale. So it works as this direct incentive for them to create better content, to create more content with no risk to you as the business owner, because you don't have to pay them upfront for this, right? So you can work, depending on your budget, you can work with 1,000 affiliates a month. So you can get the best, the most refined, the most perfect user generated content possible, because that affiliate is directly incentivized for them to make more money. They need to make better content that will get you more sales. So it's not like you pay them up front, they already have the money in the bank. They're like, all right, let me put together some bullshit UGC video so I can send it to this business. And then you post it and you don't even make any money off of it. And you have to test UGC by running them as ads and then seeing which one performs best, and you kill certain ones. No, no, no. The testing is already done for you. All you do is you send out the samples, and now you have 1,000 affiliates creating content for you. At the end of the month, not only do you get sales relatively organically, right, and only paying commission for them, but you'll get at least 10 to 100 creatives that are proven, that are tested, that did convert, and now you run them as ads on either TikTok. You add, again, the TikTok shop link right there. You run them as ads on Pinterest, or you run them as ads on Instagram. So you get the most refined, the most well converting content without paying anything upfront for, which, again, there is no other platform that offers a system that's this seamless. I mean, they're even taking the work of you reaching out to affiliates out of the equation. I don't personally work with a TikTok shop agency because they take a lot of fees and they do require you to give higher commission. And if you also sign up for TikTok shop affiliate campaigns, you do have to offer higher commission. As I mentioned, I only give 5% commission. But even for me, I more so lean on organic content. So I don't run any ads on any platform. I don't pay for any of that. And I've been able to hit over 7,000 orders on TikTok shop. That's mainly because I make 1 to 3 pieces of content a day. This content is out there circulating every single day. It lands on the perfect For You page of my target customer. When my target customer happens to be a TikTok shop affiliate, they request a sample. I just go through my affiliate center and I pick and choose the best affiliates, the ones that align most with my brand, the ones that create the best content. I look at their data, their demographic. I sell women's wear and underwear. So do they have a high female following? Have they generated over $1,000 in the past 30 days? And do they know how to make like good, presentable, clean content? They check all those 3 boxes. I send them the sample. I don't have to reach out to them, cold outreach. I don't need to hire someone to do it for me. I don't have to pay them up front for it. All I risk is sending out one of my products and paying shipping for it. Sometimes I get the product, they'll create the content. It's not great, doesn't get me any sales. More often than not, every single month, I'm going to have at least one affiliate who creates a banger video for me that gets me a bunch of sales. Guess what that video does? Not only does it get me a bunch of sales, it also gets me more perfect affiliates because it lands on the For You page of my target customer. So you see how you build this ecosystem through TikTok Shop that is essentially just a money printing machine with a lot of your work reduced. So all I need to focus on is creating my content every day. Maybe for you, you hire someone to do the lives as well. I do my own lives. I create my own content. I don't run any ads. But let's say you hire someone to do the lives. You work with a TikTok shop agency. Well, now you've just created a way to double your revenue per month. Double, no, not even double, triple, maybe even quadruple your revenue per month without adding any work for you. I mean, what kind of business owner doesn't love that? And I'm such a huge fan of an omni-channel approach when it comes to ecom, utilizing your email SMS marketing, selling on Etsy, selling on TikTok Shop, even Instagram Shop. I even use Pinterest with using direct links on Pinterest. I utilize every single thing at my disposal, and this has allowed me to generate revenue for my business without ever paying for ads and without needing to do double, triple, or quadruple the work. So at the end of the month, you're going to see an increase in your revenue, an increase in your user generated content that now you can run as ads on Pinterest and Instagram if you want. You can do whatever you want with it. Obviously, you need to ask the affiliate for permission. Don't just go and be posting them on other platforms. But as you can see, I mean, this is just a golden opportunity. I don't even want to try to convince you to get on this because I don't want more competition. But hey, I like to share what I'm doing that works for me. And I do like connection with other e-commerce business owners. So if you are an e-commerce business owner who's doing, maybe 6 figures a month, 5 figures a month consistently, I hope you go and utilize this and, double and make more money for yourself. And if you enjoyed watching this video, and if you want a more direct guide specifically on TikTok Shop, I have a full 10 video free course down below. It'll be the pinned comment down in the comment section. Go and check that out. It'll be really in depth. It'll guide you through things. And if you want to accelerate, I mean, if you're a business owner, don't be fucking cheap. I also have a paid course that's gonna get you set up on TikTok Shop much quicker and making money much quicker on TikTok Shop. And in that same link as well, you'll find the paid course, and you will also find my consultation links as well. If you want more of my YouTube content, make sure you subscribe. Check out the playlist I'm going to leave for you right here. That's all about TikTok Shop, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm out.